Here's the app called PhotoCut AI photo editor. So let's just tap get to install it. So just double click to install. All-in-one AI photo editor. So yeah, pretty cool. Remove objects, erase backgrounds, crop and resize over 100 plus templates, blur anything, text and font. Discover professional photo editor with AI. PhotoCut is designed to make your photos look great instantly and efficiently. Background eraser, background changer, layers, object removal, magic replace, blur, templates, crop, transform opacity, border, shadows, flip. So a lot of functionalities, a lot of features in here. So yeah, you can then just try it out. So easily you can just erase background. And then yeah, you can then just remove objects, AI background, and then there is PhotoCut Pro, which you can also just use. 7-day full access or monthly access for $5. Then there is 7 days free, zero per week. Your one-time offer, you can claim it. And so this is just for you to know that this exists. So for example, remove objects, blur items, collage maker, resize images. So for example, you can do that. But so now let's select a photo, and then you can select how you can resize it. And then yeah, like you can try some. I don't think it looks very impressive, but yeah, there you have it, how you can then just use it in here. I mean, of course, there are all these like removal objects. You can add text, all of these things, create all of these stories, magazine covers, happy birthday posters, everything easily in this app. Unfortunately, there are no promo codes, there are no referral codes. Otherwise, I would just share it with you in here. You just need to upgrade, but they have very generous 7-day free trial. I don't think it's honestly the best app out there. You can see it's not in the top chart, but still it's quite a good and easy app to get started. If you just need something easy, just try to use it. So there you have it.